Hi guys, if you're watching this video then you've joined Hapori Coach, so thank you. I'm just going to take you through a couple of minutes, not in detail. There's a full help area in the app where you can watch short videos that will show you the features, but I just want to walk you through how this is going to help your business. So we've got a dashboard which collects your diary, bookings through interaction with the customers. It's got a housekeeping section on requests that you haven't actually dealt with yet. It's got a 5-week view of your hours, which gets plugged in via the working hours, and then the system creates a 5-week view with a color code around what needs approving, hours you're available that need to be booked in, what needs confirming, and then down here you get an overview of your business. New clients, cancellations, packages sold, your revenue, the working hours you want to work for the period, which are these hours combined, and then the hours booked in for the period, hours available, and the hours that you've got on account. So as an example here, I want to work 215 hours of PT over the next 5 weeks. I've only got 18 booked in up here. I've got 197 I need to fill, and I've got 143 hours that sit with my clients. So how do I know that? If I go into the calendar, I can see all my bookings, and then if I go into clients, I can see if they're a PT client, if they've got access to the online hub, which is another feature we'll see in a minute. I can see the credits on account and what's booked in, and then the red flags are telling me people that don't have credit that I need to sell to. Okay, so if I go into Andy, you can see that his next session is in 51 minutes. Okay, he's got 35 credits, he's got a number of packages, and all the detail is sat in here. Okay, so also we collect a load of client data, progress pictures, there's check-in forms, there's the data on per client, there's measurements, etc, etc. I'm not going to go into this now, you can read up on this. We've got an online hub where you can put information in and videos. Okay, so again, there is a video on how to use that and monetize it through these groups. We've got programs. So again, if you want to create a new program, really simple. You've got 2 ways of doing it. You just put in the name and then you can build it. Once it's built, the new version will look like this. You can send it to a client, and then the client gets exercises, etc. On the phone, what does that look like? Looks like this. Okay. If we come back out, I can edit that and add additional workouts, etc. Anytime. Videos, I can add new stuff through the file section, and then I can land that in a client at any time by dropping it in here and assigning a program. Okay, and then it will go into the client's diary. We've got packages where you can sell everything that you want to, from PT sessions, programs only, to online check-ins only, hub access, etc, etc. And you create packages here, really simple: name, description, is it PT session, is it online program, is it hub group specific. Obviously you've got your groups that you can create, and then how long each session is, when does it expire, how much. You can charge these through Stripe. Really simple. How do I add this to a client? So an example would be, let's go for the 750 session there. So I'm going to assign that. I'm going to pick a client, Lee Johnson. I'm going to say, so again, you've got Stripe here. It's not connected on this account, but you can connect Stripe and it will ask the customer for the payment. I'm going to do bank transfer, and I'm going to assign that to Lee Johnson. Okay, so if I go into clients, and I go into Lee Johnson, and then you can view packages, then all his packages, there's the latest one, the 750 payment, which was just made. then what that does is Lee's now got a receipt that's been transacted to him. If I go into my finances, you can see it here, okay? And then it sits here in my ledger, which can be extracted at tax year end and exported into a spreadsheet. Okay, so all your finances get tracked. You can add your expenses in here. Then we've got the exercise library, which links into the workouts. So each exercise is available, lots of them in here, so that you can add those in when you're building a program. Again, there's a section on how to build programs. Files, this is where you upload stuff from either YouTube, Vimeo, or your own stuff. You can choose a file by just adding it from your desktop, okay? And then you can allocate it into the hub or into the program area. We've got finances like we just covered, which means you'll never have problems doing a tax return again. We've got a reporting area which tells you the productivity of your business. So new clients registered, this is a funnel. Register a prospect, send them an email, book a session, complete the session, convert them to a client, okay? So email activity, packages sold, cancellations, revenue, customer satisfaction. At the end of every workout, the customer gets asked to fill out a Uber-like 5-star rating across from very poor to excellent, and they'll fill that in, and that will sit in your system so you can check client feedback. It's got refund, rebooks, there's a special system where if someone cancels on you, then you can rebook it with someone who's available. The system will pick out who's available to train, and then you can ask them if they want to fill the slot. There's a lot of other features in here as well, guys, but I'm hoping that this is a quick overview. The help area is here, and like I said, there's a lot of videos, etc., that you can watch here. So hopefully, welcome to the platform. We run a number of webinars also. We've got Amy Williams, Olympic gold winning medalist, 2010 Vancouver, Jason Gardner, 2004 Athens Olympic gold winner, who are both personal trainers, and they join the platform and now are ambassadors, and they join our webinars to tell you how they run very different businesses, but both on the platform, and have managed to monetize and grow. We've got a growing community of PTs that come along to these sessions. So again, you'll learn stuff and get to know other PTs and what they're doing to be successful. And like I said, this is the most competitive product on the market. It's again, today there are a number of offers out there where you can save anything from £50 to £100 a month on our competitors. So any questions, please email us at hello@hapori.com. And like I said, welcome to the community, and we look forward to you using the product.